Hey guys, down G23, and we got an unboxing today. It's from a company called CamDuck. They reached out to me. They do discrete cameras, so I know they gave me an affiliate code also, so I'll share that in the video. I'll pin it. So like if you want a nanny cam, or you want, like you have a family member or that has like Alzheimer or dementia, or if you want to, discreetly be able to record in your house without, maybe law enforcement finding the cameras in case you have to defend your house, you have that option. So it comes very well packaged. I mean, very, very well packaged. Then it's into another box. This is their logo, CamDuck. User manual, so it tells you how to do everything, how to set up your comes with USB screw, so you can plug it in. Got your day-night camera here, everything. So I'm going to also include, I'll do showing all the stats and everything. That will be in this video here in a little bit. So this is actually will just be a nice little wall plug. You can run a screw here so it secures into there nicely. And we'll discuss more facts about it. So thank you. Hey guys, Daniel G23, and so this is the website for the CamDuck. I've got this one here, the CamDuck XN, and it comes. You can either run it with Wi-Fi, or you can go in and set it so that it doesn't run off Wi-Fi, so you can run it to a micro SD card, which is nice. It has a night vision camera. So a little bit of specs. You get what you get in the box. You do get, let me trying to find. Trying to find this real quick. I'm trying to do two different things at one time. So you get the camera, the removal tool, the card reader, which is nice, so they can read the micro SD, and you get a user manual. That comes standard. Plus then you have, you can talk with them. You can get, if you want to spend, so it's like $100 for the unit. Or if you want, you can get the one that comes with a SD card for $20 more. And I do have a link. So it comes with 4K camera. You can do Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So you can do either or both. It's got a nice night vision camera. So you can use this for in your gun room or monitoring your safe. If you've got, you can do a nanny cam or family member that's got like Alzheimer or dementia. You could use this to be able to see what's going on inside the house while you're at work or whatever. So yeah, I will have an affiliate link tagged in the comments and in the description. If anyone wants to look at this more, I'll have a link to this website also. So thanks, and I'll be doing a review video once I have a little more time using it. So we shall see how everything works out. Thanks. Bye.